Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Marc Jacobs mini bag review on each one of these three adorable mini bags. I'll be sharing what fits in each one of these bags. You are going to be surprised. I'll also be sharing mod shots so you can see what these look like on. So if that sounds interesting, then just keep watching. Let's get started with the adorable Mini Duffel. It is so cute. This is in the color white and it has embossed the duffel, Marc Jacobs, and it's super subtle. So if you're not really big into the in-your-face branding, this is definitely subtle. It's really, really pretty. The dimensions of this little guy are 7.5 inches in length. They're 4 3/4 inches in height and 3.5 inches deep. So it is truly a mini bag, but you're going to be so surprised what fits in here. So this bag retails for $295, 100% leather bag. On this side, it has, again, Marc Jacobs, the duffel. Again, this is the most beautiful, soft leather. It's a super structured bag. This can easily be worn top handled just like that. Also comes with beautiful silver hardware and the silver zipper pull with the leather tab. And then it does have a removable strap and it is also adjustable, which is really nice. So you can wear this bag on your shoulder, top handle, or as a crossbody bag, which is how I like to use this bag. And I'm so excited for summertime because I think I'm gonna get so much use out of this bag this summer. So the crossbody strap drop can adjust, which is really nice, and it adjusts 21.5 inches all the way up to 25 inches. So you have a lot of versatility there with the strap, which is really, really nice. So let's go ahead and see the interior of this bag. This bag is fully lined, has a great zipper, and it's just one large compartment. Well, I don't know how large it is, but for a size mini bag, it is surprising how much I can fit in this bag. It's awesome, actually. So inside the bag, it's one of those kind of coated materials where you can easily just wipe it clean if you need to. And then inside has a beautiful leather patch that says Marc Jacobs. On the other little tab, if you can see it, full grained leather. So again, really good price point for full grain leather. Okay, let's see what's gonna fit inside this little cutie. What everyone has to carry with them, myself included. Cell phone. And there we have it. Fits perfectly. Next, I'm going to add my sunglass case. Full sunglass case, which is great. And this does fit nicely as well. Next, I'm going to add my Burberry wallet. It's really, really cute. It's not a full size, but it is definitely not just a card holder. I mean, it's a decent sized wallet. Let's add that in there. And then I'm also going to add a hand sanitizer. Can just go right there. I'm also going to add a powder, my portable charger. I'm also going to add a lipstick and a lip gloss by Dior. And then, of course, I can't go anywhere without not only my keys, but also my AirPods. So cute. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in here as well and show you what that looks like. So it just seriously fits all of the things. It is such a good size mini bag. I mean, isn't that amazing? All the things that fit in this little cutie. Isn't it beautiful? I love this one. So next we have the Mini Jacquard Tote Bag. It is so pretty, you guys. fashion forward. It has the jacquard weaving throughout, which is so nice. Of course, the tote bag, Marc Jacobs, in beautiful black font. It has this great little kind of a ribbon feel to it, trim all the way around on both sides. Super structured bag, although it does easily topple over if it doesn't have something in it, so keep that in mind. So on the back of this Jacquard mini bag, it has the Marc Jacobs patch that says Marc Jacobs, the tote bag, and it is just really well done, as with all Marc Jacobs bags. So the price on this one is $195, and the dimensions are 5.5 inches in length, 7 inches in height, and 2 inches in depth. Again, not a super big bag. You're not going to fit as much in this little cutie as you will the mini duffel, but it is so cute. So it does have silver hardware. The zipper's smooth. The only thing I will say about this zipper is you kind of need to pull it out in order to zip it, but it doesn't have the typical Marc Jacobs loop that you can tuck there. So you either just have to be fine with that, which I am not fine with that, or it's a little inconvenient that every time you zip it up, you're going to have to tuck it in there. So that's really my only complaint. You can just open it like that instead of the full zipper, but it's going to make your opening a little smaller. It's hard to close the zipper unless you pull that tab out to close it. It's a little bit of a struggle, just something to keep in mind. But it is just one small compartment, and again, made out of the jacquard material, and just a little rectangular space there. It does have adjustable and removable straps, so if you do want to just carry it top handle, it is so cute that way. But you of course can adjust the strap for a shoulder bag or a crossbody bag, and it's just really, really well done in my opinion. I feel like it's a great textile bag. It's something unique and different to my collection. All right, let's see what fits in here. I'm gonna go ahead and put my sunglasses. This is a soft case, so that's gonna go in there first. Okay, so that fits. And next I'm gonna go in with my Burberry wallet. It is thin and it is a full size, but it is, like I said, very thin. So we're gonna put that in there as well. And that fits. And then next we're gonna add to that a little Coach pouch. And to the Coach pouch, we're gonna add a hand sanitizer, a miniature Versace perfume, as well as a Fenty Beauty lip gloss, and a Chantecaille lipstick. So those fit in there well, and I'm just gonna go ahead and zip this up, and that's gonna fit in my Jacquard Mini. And again, with that zipper, it is really hard to zip without pulling that little tail out. So that is kind of the only thing that I would say about the size of this. Makes it a little bit harder to use unless you just left it unzipped. I mean, it is small, and I don't think you'd have to worry too much about losing items, but as you can see, I would have to tuck that in every time. So you'll have to decide if that's annoying to you or not. It's really cute though, and I will show you mod shots at the end of this, so stay tuned for that. Let's go ahead and look at the final mini bag by Marc Jacobs. Here we have the mini bag, Marc Jacobs, again out of the full grained leather Really good material. It is super structured, kind of a boxy, rectangular look to the bag. It is such a pretty color. This is the most beautiful color, in my opinion anyway. This is in the cognac color, and it is stunning. It does have the subtle embossed, the mini bag, Marc Jacobs. So definitely more subtle with the brown on brown kind of concept. And then it does have this really great magnetic closure, which I love. Inside the bag, it has a great lining. And then check this out, guys. It has card holders. So you do not even need a wallet in this bag. And because it's so small, it's awesome that you can just put your cards right in there and you don't need a card holder, a wallet at all. Then it has a middle section that just is where you can put your items, and then hallelujah, there is a slip pocket for your phone. Somebody thought this through. Oh yeah, Marc Jacobs did. It is so well designed. Then on this side, the typical patch, Marc Jacobs, the mini bag. Oh, and I did forget to mention, if you look closely, it says, my other bag is the tote bag. I think that's really great. So that is embossed in the leather when you open the bag. So really, really cute. So this mini leather crossbody bag retails for $195. Again, full grain leather. It does come with the gold hardware this time, which is definitely unique. Most of them do come with silver, but it's great that you can also adjust it. And it does say Marc Jacobs on the strap, which I think is fantastic. It looks so pretty. It's subtle. It's not overkill. And then again, it is adjustable, and that is awesome. So you can easily use this as a shoulder bag or as a crossbody bag. It is such a good bag. So I love these 3 mini bags. I am looking forward to enjoying them, especially this spring and summer. I feel like I reach for a crossbody more and smaller bags in the summertime as well. Go ahead and check out some mod shots of these bags. So here is the mini duffel bag as a crossbody, and I am 5'10". It is so adorable. And can you guys believe how much fits in this mini bag? I mean, I am surprised just how much can fit in it. But really cute as a crossbody. And then, of course, if you just wanted it as a shoulder bag, of course, you can shorten it if you don't want it as a long shoulder bag. And then, of course, top handle carry. So cute. So here we have the Jacquard Mini. Oh my gosh. It is really cute. Oh, I really love the look of this. I don't think that zipper is gonna bother me enough to keep me from toting this around. So really, really cute crossbody bag. I love it. So next we have the mini bag. Oh my goodness, guys. This is adorable. What do you guys think of these mini bags? I think I'm in love. So cute. Love this color. Definitely a year-round bag. It is beautiful. So hopefully you guys enjoyed these mini bag reviews as well as what fits in the mod shots, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, and I would love it so much if you'd go ahead and subscribe to my channel so I can see you in my next video. Until next time, bye guys.